Hey you guys, this is Reynaldo Manuel Chinea, and I will be talking about pocket watches and wristwatches dated from the 1800s to the 1920s, made of 14 karat gold. Well, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Well, here we go. This is an Art Nouveau style pocket watch. It's a lady's watch. It dates from the 1800s, late 1800s. It's a very beautiful piece. It works. This one's from 1920s. Also 14 karat gold. Give me a second. Let me see the marking. You guys can see it there. Okay, and it's also marked right here. Give me a second. Oh God. Okay, right there. This is also a 14 karat gold watch, wristwatch. You can see the machinery inside. It's beautiful. And it has a dedication inside where it says, from father, and I don't know, it just says 28/19/19. February 28, 1919. And it's marked 14 karat gold. It has the watch company there and the serial code. All of these pieces I collect and I love because, like you see here where it's dedicated, you never know what it meant to somebody. I love watches. I love antiques. And if you guys love it too, please leave me a comment and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.